Today, a humble sedan gets an ultra-fast turbo upgrade, delivering a surge in horsepower that launches it from street to track. A custom body kit reshapes the silhouette, adds aggressive diffusers, and channels air with vents to slice through wind. Flashing LEDs and color-shifting accents illuminate the chassis, while simplified lighting tech boosts night visibility. Off-road setup adds reinforced suspension, beadlock wheels, and rugged tires for dirt, rocks, and mud with ease. Inside, a futuristic interior features a holographic HUD and digital gauges, showing how tech improves control and driver confidence.